Connecting a virtual card on Klarna is simple and allows you to shop at any store, online or in-store. Here's how to create a Klarna card. Download and open the Klarna app. Download the Klarna app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign into your Klarna account or create one if you're new to the service by entering your email and basic personal details. Navigate to the card creation section. Once in the app, go to the shop or in-store section, depending on where you want to use the card. Tap on Create a one-time card or Klarna card, depending on your use case. Select Payment option. Klarna offers multiple payment plans such as Pay in 4 or Pay Later. Choose the payment option you prefer. Generate and use the card. Klarna will create a virtual card with a unique number, expiration date and CVV. Add this card to your mobile wallet or use the card details for online shopping. Complete your purchase. Use the virtual card at checkout as you would any regular card. Klarna will charge you based on the payment plan you selected.